This is a 15-minute guided meditation for the Sun in Aries. My name is Kat, and you are watching the Soul Sister channel. With the Sun in Aries, we come back to the astrological beginning of the year. And so we come back to the beginning of our spiritual selves and getting to know and connect to who we truly are. So with our affirmation for the Sun in Aries, which is, I am worthy, I am loved, I am abundant, I attract love and abundance into my life. With the Sun in Aries affirmation, we come back to understanding who we truly are and what our work is. And the only way that we really can get in touch with that is developing a relationship with our higher self by quieting and centering. One way, of course, is the 15-minute guided meditation. So let's become quiet. Let's find a nice, comfortable space where we will not be disturbed for the next 15 minutes. And let's settle in. And let's go out and meet who we truly are. We're going to begin by taking 3 deep cleansing breaths to release all the disease, negativity, and toxicity from our bodies. Let's take the first deep breath. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our physical, etheric bodies. We see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. We see it flowing out of our bodies. We see all the disease, all our aches, all our pains flowing away. Let's take a second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our emotional body and our astral body. We see all that darkness, all that toxicity, all that low vibration, all the darkness just flowing away, all our anxieties, all our unworthiness, all our sadness. We see it all just flowing away. Let's take one more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity flowing away out of our body. All the self-righteousness or the tendency to be critical and judgmental. We see all that flowing away. We see all our fear flowing away. In its place, we are being filled with this incredible white light. We see this white light filling our entire body. This white light contains love. It contains power. It contains goodwill. And this white light fills our body, and then it goes out and forms a protective bubble all around us. This bubble of white light is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity, all darkness. It is deflecting off this bubble and flowing away, going back to its source. Now, while we are in this space of white light, connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Aries affirmation. I am worthy. I am loved. I am abundant. I attract love and abundance into my life. We're going to say the affirmation together. And then we are going to go to our magic reflecting pool and get to know our true self, or meet our true self for the first time. Let's say the affirmation together. I am worthy. I am loved. I am abundant. I attract love and abundance into my life. Now, in using our creative imagination, let's go to the magic reflecting pool, which is in front of us, right in front of us. Now, this magic reflecting pool will reflect back to us our most perfect self. Let's go to the magic pool, the magic reflecting pool, and look in. We're looking in this beautiful pool that's reflecting back to us that person who we most want to be. If we could be anybody, have any characteristics, any qualities, what would they be? Let's look in the magic reflective pool and see that person, who we truly are, who embraces all our qualities, all our characteristics, all our idiosyncrasies. That person that we wish we could be, that we dream we could be. Who is that person? Let's take a look. Who is being reflected back to us? Do we know that this is who we truly are? Do we know that we were created to be exactly who is reflected back to us in our magic pool? Do we realize that we are so special, we are so unique, that we were created for a specific purpose that only we can fulfill? Only that person being reflected back to us in the magic pool can fulfill. Take a look and let's sit just for a little bit and feel what it's like to be that person being reflected back to us in the pool. Who is that? And now that we have gotten in touch, maybe for the very first time, of who we truly are, let's look back into that magic reflective pool. Let's look in this time and let's look at if we could do anything that we loved. If we could do anything, what is it? What is it that we love to do? What is that? Because that is our work. So let's look back into that magic pool of ours and let's see what we're doing when we look in that pool. We see our most perfect self, that person of our dreams that we wish we could be, and this person is doing work that they love to do. What is that work? What is being reflected back to us as we look into the magic pool? And we sit for a moment. We visualize. Using our creative imagination, we look at who we truly are, who we would be if we could be anyone we wanted, doing the work that we love. Let's visualize ourselves doing just that. How does it feel? What are we seeing? What are we doing? And now, as we watch ourselves using our creative imagination, doing the work that we love, we see abundance pouring in, embracing us. We see that we can use our work, do our work, and our work can sustain us because we are abundant. If we are who we truly are doing our work, we naturally will attract abundance. So now, for the last few moments of this meditation, let's visualize ourselves being who we truly are, that person of our dreams, doing the work of our dreams, and being completely fulfilled and satisfied and sustained. And now let's come back. Let's come back. Let's wiggle our fingers, wiggle our toes. We might want to blink our eyes a little bit if they've been closed. Let's come back, but let's not forget who we saw, what we were doing, and how it felt in this meditation. And let's take it with us out into the world, and let's begin to work towards making that happen in our lives, working on being able to be who we truly are, doing our work and being happy and fulfilled. Remember that it is so important that we remember that everything happens from the inside out. It's by going inside that we can consciously manifest and build in the outer world. So take that with you today. Life is lived from the inside out. Namaste.